Okay, we at day 3 here at the TA in Concordia, Missouri. So due to the other TA negligence in Mount Vernon, it went from a wheel seal to not properly putting on this outside nut that almost had a wheel come off, which destroyed all of these parts here. So this has to be replaced. And they're calling the axle guy to cut this off to replace this. And now they're saying that this has to be replaced because they had some metal chafing to destroy this side over here as well too. So we're on day 3 and they seem to be moving a little slow. So this could have been done today. Actually, this could have been done the other night, so in my opinion. So we're sitting here extra days and my tires still haven't been repaired. So we're taking all this apart and this is where we are now. So we're just documenting everything and we'll see what happens next.